hands! State police! State police!
On June 6, 2023, a suspect later identified as Juan Sanchez Jr. stole a Chevrolet Silverado and pointed a gun at a victim at Lewis Farms in New Era, Michigan. After police spotted the stolen truck, Sanchez fled, leading officers on a brief pursuit before stopping near Parkside Drive.
Yeah, we knew from leading in front of some sticks. He's driving like a knucklehead. Coming just out. So, clear coming, just stopping out.
Show me your hands! State police! State police!
Clear coming, just stopping
Show me your hands! Show me your hands! State police! State police! State police! State police! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get down! Gonna get tased! On the ground! Hey, go! Put the gun down! Drop it! Put the gun down! Put it down! Drop it! Get on the ground!
Rail north.
Is your radio on? I'm not hearing your traffic come through.
Trail headed north. That's right, because there was a gun on him.
George, your hands, get
Everyone
down!
be advised, he is armed.
Get down! Get on the ground! You're under arrest!
Here he goes.
Bring it down! Good one, good one. All right, we got him. Roll over. All right. Go ahead. All right. We got him, we got him. Yeah. We're working here. Got right arm. Somebody, who's got cuffs? I got cuffs. Got him? Yeah. Not yet. Hooked up. I got him. Wow!
On April 1st, 2025, a trooper spotted a blue Chevy Trailblazer tied to a past police pursuit, driven by fugitive Ashley Swindle Davis, who had multiple felony warrants. After pulling over briefly, Davis suddenly fled at speeds over 100 miles per hour, swerving across lanes and blocking a TVI attempt.
'39 warrant, 1037. Brake checking me. Notify Washington County. Speed is 100. Traffic's light, reason for stop. Driver's going to have multiple felony warrants out of multiple states. The speed's still 100, heading toward the bridge. The driver's still brake checking me. driver was brake checking me the whole time.
10-4, I'm on the phone, Washington County now. The description of the vehicle.
It's going to be a blue Chevy Trailblazer. I'm terminating my pursuit, but I will follow it across the bridge.
10-4.
You go ahead and clear the net, Warren. We're no longer in active pursuit.
10-4. Warn all unit net clear. Warn at 39. What's that subject's name?
It's going to be a Ashley Nikki Swindle Davis.
10-4.
Subjects 53 out of Oklahoma, Tennessee, Mississippi, and Arkansas. All felony warrants.
10-4, 646.
We've reached Mississippi. She's going to be passing Harlow's. I'm turning around, heading back to Arkansas.
10-4, 343.